This is the Egofine 12-piece quarter-inch socket wrench set. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the set itself. There are no directions needed because it's expected you know how to use a socket wrench. It comes in this holder, or with this holder like this. All of the sockets fit, as you see, just like that. So everything stays together, all in this one little package. And what's also nice is you can hang it right up on a peg or nail, screw, anything like that. So you have 12 pieces, 10 sockets, an extension, and of course the ratchet itself. The ratchet is reversible and has a quick release button. Of course, I'll go over all that in just a moment. Sockets, you have 4. These are all millimeter sockets. So you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 millimeter sockets. 10 millimeter is one of the most commonly used fasteners, especially on Asian vehicles and that, or any real overseas vehicle would typically use metric fasteners. Here in the US, a lot of times you'll still find the old SAE fasteners, and for that you'll have to use your own socket. But that's not a problem because it's simply a quarter-inch socket wrench. Let me go and take it out of the package here to show you. So here's the socket and the extension, and you'll notice if I go to put it on, it won't go. That's done on purpose. Press the quick release, and now it's on there, and it's locked on and won't come off. The socket just goes on like that, and you're all set. So now you can tighten bolts, you can loosen bolts, you're all set. If you need SAE sockets and you have some of your own, you can put them on there. Let me go show you this on a bolt. So this bolt, for example, if I wanted to loosen that, I can put it on there. No problem at all. Now I'm not going to take that all the way out, there's no need to, but it certainly loosened it without a problem. Now we'll go and switch that, and now I can tighten it back down. Did a fine job. So once again, this was the Egofine 12-piece quarter-inch socket wrench set. All around a nice set, definitely does the trick, and can help you when you need to use any sort of socket like that. You can use the included ones, they're all chrome vanadium steel, or of course you can use any other socket you want that is quarter-inch drive. So nice set from Egofine. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.